How to Save $10,000 in 1 Year, the best books on debt management and personal finance. Have you ever wondered what it takes to save $10,000 in just 1 year? Maybe you've been drowning in student loans, credit card debt, or just living paycheck to paycheck, unsure of how to break free. But what if I told you you could turn that around starting today? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to take control of your finances, build wealth, and save $10,000 in just 12 months. The best part? You don't have to do it alone. There are some incredible books that will light the way. And trust me, you're going to want to hear the last one. It's a game changer. Point 1. Understand where your money goes. Before you can save money, you need to know where it's leaking. Imagine your finances as a bucket, and right now that bucket's full of holes. It doesn't matter how much you try to fill it if you don't plug those holes. This is where books like Your Money or Your Life by Dominguez and Vicki come in. This book challenges you to track every penny you spend and assess if it aligns with your values. You'll be shocked at how quickly those small, seemingly insignificant purchases add up. A coffee here, a quick snack there. It's like death by 1,000 cuts. Do you really need that third avocado toast this week? Or could that $15 go towards your savings goal? Pause for laughter. But seriously, tracking every dollar will give you clarity. The first step to saving $10,000 is stopping the unnecessary spending. You don't have to go cold turkey, but be aware. Awareness is power. Point 2. Budgeting like a pro. Now that you know where your money's going, it's time to take control. Budgeting, the word that strikes fear into the hearts of many. But what if I told you there's a way to budget that's actually fun? Pause. No, seriously. Books like The Total Money Makeover by Ramsey will teach you how to create a simple yet powerful zero-based budget. Every dollar has a job, from savings to expenses to fun money. And the beauty is, once you set it up, you don't have to think about it much again. Here's the thing. A budget isn't about restricting your life. It's about taking control of your future and using your money intentionally. In fact, think about it this way. Every dollar you save now is a dollar closer to your $10,000 goal. Imagine how amazing it will feel when you hit that goal, and trust me, you'll hit it faster than you think when you're budgeting smartly. Point 3. The power of debt management? But wait, before you can focus on saving, there's something critical you have to address. Debt. The longer you carry it, the more it drains your wealth. And trust me, debt is the silent killer of financial freedom. That's where The Simple Path to Wealth by J.L. Collins comes in. Collins shows you how to eliminate high-interest debt like credit cards or payday loans, so you can free up that money for investments and savings instead of throwing it into a black hole. Here's a powerful strategy. Use the debt snowball method, where you pay off your smallest debts first. It creates momentum. Once you've knocked out your small debts, move to the next. It's a game changer. It may seem slow at first, but trust me, the results will shock you. You'll be looking at those debt balances like they're the end of a marathon with the finish line in sight. But here's the cliffhanger. You'll learn how to build wealth with debt-free living in the next segment, and you won't want to miss it. Point 4. Building an emergency fund. Now, let's talk about safety nets. An emergency fund is the foundation of financial stability. It's the difference between you feeling on top of the world and sinking into panic mode the second something unexpected happens. Books like The Barefoot Investor by Scott Pape lay out a no-nonsense approach to creating an emergency fund. Pop suggests you start with at least $1,000, then aim to grow it to cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses. That way, if something unexpected happens, like your car breaking down or a medical emergency, you're not scrambling to put it on a credit card. Now imagine this. You're driving down the road of life and you hit a bump, metaphorically speaking. But instead of stressing, you've got a cushion. You keep going, no sweat. And as you do, your savings grow towards that $10,000 goal. Point 5. Automate your savings. Here's the secret that millionaires know. Automate everything. It's the ultimate hack to saving money. When you make your savings automatic, it's like setting up a direct deposit to your future self. You don't even have to think about it. Books like Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki talk about the power of paying yourself first. And automating your savings lets you do just that, without effort. Set up a separate savings account and have a percentage of your income automatically transferred there every month. The beauty? It's effortless. You don't have to think twice about it. You just wake up one day, check your account, and boom, you've hit that $10,000 mark. I know what you're thinking, but what if there's an emergency? Well, that's what your emergency fund is for. Automate your savings for the long term and allow your wealth to grow without you constantly having to push it. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Point 6, investing for the long term. The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham is a classic that teaches the principles of value investing. It's not about gambling in the stock market, it's about making informed decisions that build your wealth over time. Look at it like this. Saving money is like planting seeds, but investing is like watering and nurturing them until they grow into something powerful. You'll see your $10,000 turn into more, and when you hit your goal, you can repeat this strategy and build even more. So, there you have it. The roadmap to saving $10,000 in 1 year. It's not about magic. It's about small, intentional actions every day, combined with the right knowledge. These books will give you the tools, but the real power lies in your hands. Will you take action? Remember, your future self is depending on the decisions you make today. So, take that first step. Open one of these books, start budgeting, automate your savings, and watch how quickly your wealth grows. Do you have what it takes to start today? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend who could use this advice. And tell me, what's your #1 financial goal for the next year? Drop it in the comments below.